Hey there, Dad. Just want to teach you how to work through your blog and how to post or manage comments and post posts or add new content as a post. So I need you to make a couple posts right away as soon as you can, please. Go to gryphonassociates.com. All right, and you'll check out. I've changed your header and your logo a little bit, just more impact and easier for people to read. This is your home page right now. Not 100% happy and excited about it, but we'll work on that. I've got some things I want to do with you, discuss with you to do it. Anyways, you want to go to gryphonassociates.com /WP-admin and hit enter. I've just recently sent you your password and your username. All right, mine is admin. Don't ever go in and change admin. I don't think you have access to it anyways. Alright, so you've entered your username and password, and you're going to come to what's called your dashboard. Your dashboard is the place where you're going to go to every single time you open this thing up. You can see your recent comments, which are right here, and you can see incoming links and things like that. The things you want to look at is your recent comments, because you want to see who's there, who you need to talk to, trash, spam, otherwise. Let's go with posts first. This is a post video. Click on posts. You'll see the first post and the hello world, which is the post that's preloaded. I'm going to add a new post. And we're just going to Mike's demo post. Alright, so we're going to add some content in there. Let me just fix that. Okay, so this is your demo post. The name of this post is Mike's demo post. So at gryphonassociates.com, Mike's-demo-post. You could send anybody you want to that direct link, but I'm going to teach you a trick for keeping your clients to come back often and stay often and see multiple pages, which helps with ranking in Google. You can add a post image if we want. I'm going to find one real quick. It's not something I often do, but it really makes a difference with this new blog template that I've provided for you. And let's go with headshot blue. And you want to load up as often as you can information like Gryphon Associates headshot holder. Okay? Gryphon Associates, Gryphon Associates, Gryphon Associates, everywhere. Just like you want to be using the taglines or words, HR, human capital management, HRM, HRMIS, life coaching, those are things you want to do. Custom title tag, this is for the SEO and obviously page SEO and optimization options. You can override your theme. So if your theme for your overall site is human capital management or human capital performance management, and we load up the SEOs for that, which we haven't discussed yet, and you wanted to write this post about anything else, testing, you would then put it in here, testing blog posts. Okay, these are different words from your main website, and I'm just going to pause this. So that is for page SEO and optimization options to override. Same with meta description. So this is a description of this post. So this is Mike's test post for blog SEO testing. You want to write something short and snappy in there, but it needs to be keyword loaded. So if you're writing about human capital management performance, make sure you get HCM and its longer variation, HR, HRM, HRIS, things like that. Whatever this post topic is about, you load up the words that you've used in your post, also loaded up in here in a very short, brief description. Meta words, as you can see, this is something I don't really use much, but you should. The meta words are keywords for the page that are used there. So again, human capital, oops, sorry, management, HR, test, post. Okay. Never click this no index robot meta tag. Just leave these open all the time. All right. If you have tracking code specific for this, you can add it there, but don't do it. I've got it set up for your. Well, we're going to have it set up for your website. You can do multivariate testing. It's a bit of a headache to do right now. But the main things you want to do is add a post, load up your content, write it in a Word document, spell check it 3-4 times. Get a post image. For every single post you do, it's great to have a post image because it gives you a chance to say your company's name and website again. Make sure you use keywords that are in here, custom title tag. You know, we're gonna switch this up to Mike's demo post for blogging on Gryphon Associates. Oops. All right. Make sure you take a snapshot excuse me, of that information from your blog post. Slip it into the meta description. Very, very short. Very, very keyword. Your keyword needs to be in the first sentence. Very important. Also throwing in more keywords right here, separated by commas. And then you're going to slide over here. You could save the draft, which we're going to do right now. And you can preview the draft. So I'm going to open this up and take a preview. That's what it's going to look like, and that's the image. I don't often use the images because they are kind of big and they take up some valuable space. But now I've got a couple more things that I need to do. I need to teach you about adding a new category, human capital management. All right, so we're going to add that category. We're going to add human resources. And if I do this right, you might not have to do much. Executive coaching, life coaching. All right, so that's if this article was, and from now on, you're just going to select the ones that actually apply to each post or article as you're writing it, okay? Whoops, post tags, we also want to slide those in there. We've done a few over on the side, and we're going to call it HCM, HR, HRMS, HRIS, testing. And this is so when someone searches out your website, if they search from your website, any of these words will pop up. Also, it allows the search engines in the internet to find these words on your site. And if those words are also part of your theme and part of your blog posts and part of your content and part of your SEO words, then it's often going to increase your rankings and get them to come. So I'm actually going to turn off this post image because it's a pretty big one. You have to use a small one. And I'm going to publish. Alright, so now that I've published this, I'm going to close this window and I'm going to hit view post because I want to see what it looks like. So here, Mike's demo post right there. And I've got to just delete this. And update. And hit F5 to refresh this. It should wipe it out. There you go. So there's no demo post for this one. There's no image post. But you can see this is exactly what I typed in. It's your title. Now if I go to blog, because this is the exact page you're on, we're going to go to blog once it loads up here. I'm trying to be patient. I will speed this up in the video. Note up here, blog. Anything that's posted as a post ends up on your blog page. Hope you like that. That's a nice little touch. And I'm just going to hit blog again and see what happens. close that down. View the post. Go to blog. There we go. So you can now see just a quick snapshot, 1 to 10 lines of each post. And this is your blog always. This is the home of the blog. Whenever you hit blog, this is where they come. We're going to load a sidebar in here, but they can read the full article. This is very good for link juice, link baiting, and buying time from your customers and clients. So you buy time, and you're getting them to see more than one page on your website. So that's an excellent, excellent tool. What you always want to do whenever you're emailing or posting, you want to direct them to a post or to the blog itself for the most recent post, and then have them go and read the next page or the next article or whatever it is. So I'm going to load you up with a bunch of tools that are going to help out with that. But for now, we're going to hit home and see you at home. About. Here's your about page. Let's get a headshot in there. I think you're going to do well with that. Hopefully she looks pretty enough for you for now. Executive Life Coaching. So you see that these don't have any pop-ups, but this one does. I'm going to click on that, just the header one. And this is the Executive and Life Coaching. You'll also notice that each one of these are hyperlinked, and they will open up on the appropriate page. I have not done anything to make these ones pretty, but I definitely will shortly. I'm going to go back. And that's about it. Hopefully you like what you see so far, and if you just need a refresher, I will help you do that again. You can watch this video over and over again, but what you want to do is log in. And to log in, you go to gryphonassociates.com/WP-admin. And then you're going to type in your name and username and password into the to gain access. When in here, you see the dashboard. Go right to your comments. You can see all your comments and approve them or disapprove them. You're going to go right to posts because that's where you want to go. And it's as easy as hitting new post. And you just enter your title of the post and enter the content there. I recommend getting as many as you can as fast as you can. Love you lots. Talk to you soon. And I will show you how to edit comments shortly.